Now you guys, the elephant in the room. Yes, finally did it. I have a new color and a new cup. Hey guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you can join me today. I think I found the ultimate hair hack, which I'm not even sure if it's a hack by definition, but the color I use in today's video actually made my hair softer and defined my curls, because y'all know I have natural hair. Right now it's straightened, but not only does this hair color have awesome ingredients, but there's a site that helps you pick your hair color, whether it's like all over color, root touch up, a gloss, and they send everything you need to your house with all the instructions. I mean everything you need for a really affordable price. Now I've partnered with Madison Reed to show you guys how I color my natural hair a blue black. But first, you guys, if I could be real for just a second, I want to talk about fear. I don't know if some of you guys know this, but I haven't been to a salon to get my hair done in like 15 years because I had this traumatic experience when I got my hair like hacked off. It actually turned into fear of salons, and I didn't know that until recently. And I was like, why am I not treating my hair as well as I should? Because I have a lot of hair needs. I have thin, fine hair, and it reacts negatively to like everything. So I had to have a one-on-one with myself. I said, myself said, I said, Jody, get it together.
Jody, you bugging.
I had to be really honest with myself. I can't let one bad hairstylist not let me have the healthiest hair possible. So I'm going to show you how I color my natural hair at home with the Madison Reed permanent color. Just a little bit about Madison Reed, because I first saw them I think in Sephora. They had these like root touch-up powders and I was super intrigued. They're actually a hair color phenomenon because of all the stuff that I mentioned earlier. Plus, you guys, their products contain things like argan oil, keratin, really good ingredients that my hair loves. But if you guys want to try any hair colors from Madison Reed after my tutorial, I do have a discount code for you guys. If you use my code JODY18, you get 15% off and free shipping, which I think is a really good deal. So make sure you guys check that out. I'll put all the details in the description box. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to show you how I color my hair at home by myself, start to finish. So guys, did I do that or did I do that? I can't believe I did the color myself because I usually try to stay away because like either they burn or I'm afraid they're gonna like rip my hair out, but it came out so good. So just a little bit more about my hair, because you guys follow like my hair tutorials, but like I'm talking about my natural hair. I also went and got my hair cut using the Madison Reed hair color. Inspired me to go get my hair cut, do whatever it takes to get my hair healthy. So I went to the hair salon. It's actually the barber shop where my husband goes. I can't make this up. And he did my cut for me. Let me know if you guys want like a video on my first salon experience in 15 years. That would be an interesting video. So answer the poll here or leave a comment below. I want to know your thoughts. It helps me so much in figuring out what you guys like to see. So anyway, I got this shortcut, mostly just to celebrate my new healthier hair journey, as well as cutting off all of my ends because my hair is still fine, y'all. But look how good it looks. I'll show you guys a before and after, but it gives me so much oomph. The Perugia Black color makes my hair so nice and rich looking, and it actually adds a little bit more thickness to my hair, because I feel like when my hair is darker you see like more of my edges or more of my length or thickness. So I'm super excited about that. And when I went to the barbershop / hair salon and he was like, you know, cutting my hair and all that, and I was telling him that I just dyed my hair. I wanted to just cut it just so I can show off my new color, and he was asking me what kind of color I use. So I explained it to him like it's Madison Reed. You just get it straight to your house. It comes with everything. I did it myself. He was like, whoa, because I didn't have any like black spots on my scalp or like on my forehead or anywhere. He's like, wow, it cleans so easily, and it didn't have a chemical smell. So he co-signed that. My cosmetologist / barber co-signed the hair color. So hope you guys try it. Don't forget to use the discount code though. Get that 15% off and the free shipping. Try it out and let me know what you guys think. I'm just so excited. I never thought I'd find like a healthy hair dye. So I guess the moral of the story is that we're way too blessed to be stressed about hair. And on that note, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll put all the hair color details below, links included. And until the next video, you guys, take care. Bye. With the weight of the world on my shoulders, I know I told you it's the best slide I know. It's not a game that I am playing.